Hi, my name is Scott Zagrodnik. I'm the LEOTEK rep for the state of Wisconsin. We recently upgraded the city of Madison to 3 of the LEOTEK lines, the GreenCobra, the CarbonCobra, and the ComfortView. Last 10-15 years, LEOTEK has been a very easy company to work with. LEOTEK fixtures were perfect for the city of Madison because of the longevity and reliability that they offer. Ever since they've been installed, the GreenCobra has been reliable, and that's what you want for a cityscape, reliability. The key features that I really like about LEOTEK is the lighting distribution and the wattage control system that they have, because there's always an opportunity for less light and more light. Another key feature that really helps LEOTEK succeed and dominate the competition is they pre-fire the fixtures 2 hours at the factory before they even send them out the door. And that type of quality control really helps me as a rep and as the city of Madison doesn't to worry about failure. The failure rate is going to be the first couple hours of the fixture's life, and it's already taken care of before it even leaves the door. We're really looking forward to working with LEOTEK and their partnership through the upcoming years.